Mastery practice question 4. The third term of a geometric progression is 30. So T3 equals to 30. And the sum of the third term and the fourth term is 45. So T3 plus T4 is 45. Find the first term and common ratio. Okay. So here we know T3 is 30 and then T3 plus T4 is 45. So we can easily find T4. So T4 would be 45 minus T3. So 45 minus 30, which gives us 15. Okay. So we know T3 and we know T4. Right. Okay. Let's try to solve A. So A, they want us to find the first term and common ratio. Okay, we can easily find the common ratio because R is just T2 over T1 or T3 over T2 or T3 over T4 over T3 and so on. So since we have T4 and T3, we can use this. T4 is 15, T3 is 30. So common ratio will be 1 over 2. Done. Now we need to find the first term, which is A lah. Okay. So for geometric progression, the formula of Tn would be A R n minus 1. So we know T3 is 30. So AR 3 minus 1 will be 30. And then we know R also. 3 minus 1 is 2 equals to 30. So A will be 30 divided by 1 over 2 square. Which is 120. Done. So R is 1 over 2, A is 120. Right. Let's try B. So let's write this down first. A is 120, R is 1 over 2. Okay. B, we need to find sum to infinity. So S infinity, the formula is A over 1 minus R. So A is 120, R is 1 over 2. Oops. 120 divided by 1 minus 1 over 2. 240. Done. That's it.